Welcome to Photogenic. Today, we're going to show you how easy it is to design your very own personalized wall frame. First, open your browser and type Photogenic in Google. Click on the first link to go directly to our website. Once you're on our homepage, navigate to the Decor section and select Personalized Wall Frame. Now, let's start customizing your wall frame. Select size and color option, then click on the Start Customizing button to begin. You'll see a variety of themes to choose from. Whether it's a classic or love theme, we have a theme for every occasion. Select the one that best fits your memories. Next, it's time to upload your images. Click on the Upload Images button and select the photos you want to include in your wall frame. Once your images are uploaded, you can start adding text. Click on the text box and make it personal and meaningful. Now, customize the layout as per your preference. Drag and drop your images, resize them, and arrange them in the order you like. After you're satisfied with your design, preview your wall frame to see how it will look once printed. Make sure everything is just the way you want it. If you're happy with your photo book, click on Add to Cart. Finally, proceed to checkout and place your order. Fill in your shipping details, choose your payment method, and confirm your purchase.